back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Anita Hassanandani, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Her real age is 40 years as per in 2021. Her birth date is 14 April 1981. Did you know that she has also worked in Telugu and Tamil films along with Hindi films? She is best known for her portrayals in Kavyanjali as Anjali and in serial Ye Hai Mohabbatein as Shagun Arora and in Nagin as Vishakha Khanna. Do you know that she also participated in Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi in 2008 along with Jhalak Dikhla Ja in 2015 and in Nach Baliye in 2019? Do you know that her hobbies are reading and cooking? Now talking about her favorite food is fish curry. She got married to Rohit Reddy on 14 October 2013. She got famous with her role of Tanushri in TV serial Kabhi Sautan Kabhi Saheli in 2001. Talking about her best friends are Sulbhi Jyoti, Crystal D. D'Souza and producer Ekta Kapoor. Her negative role of Shagun Arora